Hi everyone, Richard here. Look what I have. This is the DJI Action 2. So this is just coming out. They're releasing it today actually. I've got hold of this. And this is the new version from the DJI Osmo Action. Now they call it DJI Action 2. But I'm using the Osmo Action, the first one. So this is the second one that they just released, but with a new design. But before we go to the unboxing, do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and do help me out, and because I purchased all these gadgets for review myself. If you like it, do subscribe, do share it with your friends. And on top of that, if you do want to drop me a PayPal, there's a PayPal link, so you can support me. I can do more reviews. So let's back to the review. I have the unit. There's two versions now that DJI is selling, and it is this one with the camera and the battery pack, right? There's another one which has the camera and the battery pack with another screen. There's dual screen. So I got the single screen version. So let's do a quick unboxing and have a look what's in the single screen version with the battery pack. So let's open this up, and it's opening from the side, and you can see you need to download the app and then scan it and then activate it. So there seems to be some logos what they can do with that. Let's take this out. This is some menus. There's a whole lot of empty space here at the bottom, and this is where both the camera and the battery pack is. Let's take out what's in the box. Okay, the power charging cable is here, and some mounts are down here as well. So there's the mounts and another mount here. So we'll open it up and have a look. And then that's the camera. You can see there. It's very small, very tiny. And the battery pack is here, right? That's the battery pack. So what makes this unique is this new design. It's just a square cube, and with the power button on top, and nothing at the sides, right? And only the connectors at the bottom. So with this new screen and sensor, I'm not sure how this could get protected if I crash this, which I likely would do if I mount this on an RC car or drone. There's no protection here at the moment, and the screen is behind. This is just a square screen, and this is the battery pack, which does not have any screen, because I opted for this one with the battery pack. It doesn't have a screen. So this is how it's connected, and that's the way it goes. It's magnetic, so it's connected there. Straight away you can see the battery is light on, and maybe we shall power it on, and it's turning on. Okay, that doesn't do anything. It must be this one. Okay, the first thing it does, it asks me to scan the QR code and install the app. Right, so you can see you need to download it 2 more times to activate. If I close it and open it 2 more times, it won't work anymore. You need to quickly scan the QR code to get the APK, because this is a haven't launched unit actually. Technically they're launching it now tonight. You have to download the APK from their another store, not Google App Store. They have a code that you have to download, a separate APK that works with DJI Action 2. Okay, good thing is on, and you can see that's the screen. That's how it looks like if you're going to use that, right? And I hope it's rotating. Doesn't seem to be rotating. It's vertical. Okay, so the design seems to be it seems to be like that 360 camera. And okay, that's the mount, and seems to be, wow, okay, this is definitely a vertical camera. It's gonna be this way, so you gotta walk around holding it this way. right, instead of this way. I don't seem. I'll check. I'll try to turn this to horizontal if you can. I'm not sure you can do that. And okay, currently it's in Chinese, so I have to change it to English first. So I don't know anything Chinese. That's how it looks like. And you can take that out. Wow, it's quite tight. You see the magnet is quite tight. I'm not sure how the pendant will work, and I do hope it holds on. Looks like I have to take this out, and then so you need to squeeze there and then pull it out. So let's put the pendant on. Not sure how it's going to work on that. Okay, maybe it's scary. Not sure if it's upside down and covers the screen. Right, so that's the pendant. That's how you gonna wear it. I'm getting spooked by this. Okay, I'm not sure how I'm supposed to wear that. Right. Okay, this is the thing. So the magnet is on this thing, and it sticks to this portion like that, right? Then only it sticks to this back piece, right, which you're supposed to wear maybe inside your shirt. And it's pretty risky, right, if you want to use this. So this is how it's going to work. I need to put this here, and I put the strap is inside my t-shirt, and the magnet is here. You probably need a tighter t-shirt than this thick t-shirt, and you're supposed to run around with this. Okay, this is gonna spook me out. I'm accident prone, right? And you all know I'm accident prone, so I'll probably break this in 5 minutes. Here we go. I managed to change it to English finally, and you can see this is the screen, and you can see field of view. The warp is on, right? Field of view DWAP, and then I confirm is standard DWAP, right? And then you can go back and you can see the resolution. This is resolution that you have. This is opposite now. It's going this way. 4K 4:3 and 16:9. Let's do 4K 16:9. That's the standard that I'm normally using, and it goes up to 60 frames per second. So the 120 frames probably is in the setting somewhere. I haven't looked at it yet. And let's leave it at that. And then that's the RockSteady. And RockSteady is on. Right, so that's steady. How do you go there? Okay, RockSteady is off. You can off that. And then RockSteady is on there. Let's go back. So the screen is impressively bright. It's way much brighter than my Osmo Action. I'll show you how it looks like with the Osmo Action. Okay, this is the Osmo Action, and this is the new Action 2. That's how it looks like side by side. If you put it side by side, it is longer, right? And it's this way. So it is a bit, the Osmo Action is thicker. See that? It's thicker with the cover, but this is totally flush. So the thing is, I have to use this vertical. I don't think I'm used to vertical recording this way. So will it record if I press? Yes, it does. So there's a button here on the battery. So if I press that, it will start recording. You can see it will start recording if I press that. So I have to get used to this format, and with this link here, I'm worried I accidentally press it or hit it and it comes off. It's pretty scary. I don't really trust magnets, right? So that's how it looks like. It's starting to feel warm. There doesn't seem to be any heat sink around. Maybe the whole case is a heat sink. And I do see there seems to be a mic here and a mic in front and nowhere else. So there seems to be two mic there. And interestingly, the power charging is here. Look at that. That's the Type C. Right. And that looks like the SD card. It seems to be all open. I'm very worried about this design. Let me put in an SD card and see what happens. Okay, you can see that this is the SD card, and it goes facing up into this slot here. Yeah, and then you press it in. This is probably the most scariest design I've ever seen. We have a Type C that's exposed. Maybe it's using the phone kind of technology. It's like my Samsung Note, the Type C is exposed anyway. So if you get water, you probably can't charge it after that. It takes some time to dry off and charge. But this is the scary part, right? The SD card is exposed. Okay. And this is the odd thing. Where is the SD card on this unit? If I'm going to record, it's just like that. Where do I put the SD card? There's no place for me to put SD card. Right? So technically it should come with a memory. I'm not sure. I haven't read the menu. Seriously, I just got this unit and I quickly unbox it for you guys. Just hands on and have a look. I will do a quick video capture out of this. I will try to read the menu and find more details about this because I have no idea how this thing works. And this is how it looks like. And I'm probably the first guy who got this. This is a retail set. Okay, this is not given to me by DJI. So do drop me a PayPal if you have some bucks to share. But do support me or share my video and give me a thumbs up. I bought this. This is a retail unit and it's launched today. So this is actually launched tonight. Now when I'm recording, it's launching now. So let's do some recording out of this and then finish up the app setup and then let's have a look at what this thing can do. So I found the answer. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Internal storage. That's 22.3 gigabytes here. It should be maybe 24. I'm not sure. And then that is my SD card. So you can record to SD card or the inbuilt storage, which is good. Now that explains why I can wear as a pendant and record it in the storage here. So hopefully we'll get cool updates fast. And let's do some video recording in this. So currently I'm testing out the DJI Action 2, and this is the Osmo Action, the first one. So I'm having two of these, and then let's do a quick walk. And both are recording in auto mode, so it's quite dark here, you can see. So I'll do a daylight test, but currently I'm at night, just quickly unboxing, and you can see how it looks like in the night with the RockSteady. And as I go to dark area, that's how it looks like with some light. Okay, so you can see how the view looks like. And then I'm gonna turn over and have a look at the building. So that's the building, and that's how it looks like, right? So let's do some walking, and facing me, hopefully you can see my face, right, as I go in and out of the light. And we shall do some running tests, right, in the dark. Probably you can see how it looks like in the vibration in the dark. Right, I'll get back in. Let's do that. Hopefully it looks okay enough for the quick unboxing. So this is just a quick video how it looks like, and then compared to the Osmo Action. So I'll do more in-depth review, and we'll have a look at the comparison. I'm shooting at 4K 60, so we'll test out a lot more settings, maybe the high speed, high frame rate mode, and this is how it looks like. with the light around me. Okay, so that's all, folks. This quick look at the Osmo Action 2, and this is the Osmo Action. We had a quick comparison. I'll do more detailed video in the daylight because this is night time. Probably the video is not so great after the editing. Hopefully it's good. Then we can do more. This is a quick unboxing. I just got hold of this today. Retail unit. Bought it myself. DJI didn't send me any review unit as well. So do support me. Do share this video and do give me a thumbs up. Okay. So if you want to drop me a coffee, do add some tips to my PayPal so I can do more videos like this. Okay. And hopefully this one will be a really good pairing to my Osmo Action, which I use all the time. This is my go-to, and hopefully the video from here will be better than this one, and I can have full set running around with the Osmo. Maybe this one will be here if I'm daring enough to try that. For some, then I can have two views. Normally I have two views. You have two cameras on this, and hopefully the audio is great on this as well. So thanks, do give me a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next video when I do more in-depth review on this. So currently it's just a hands-on and quick unboxing. Thanks, good night, bye.